Why do I hunt?
Please, stop this. Not again. Not again! Please, I'll do anything you want. Just don't do this.
Because it's a release.
Please, just listen to me.
The adrenaline pumping through your veins as you chase your prey.
Make it stop.
It's nearly orgasmic.
Make it stop. Help me!
Shut up already.
Oh God, forgive me for what I'm about to do.
Now, what's aware? When stalking your prey, you want to be able to move around the shadows without being seen, but also don't want to take the risk of getting caught on something when moving quickly. Footwear is just as essential to what you wear. I prefer the normal steel toe. It's non-slip and strong enough to withstand any blow to the skull. When hunting, it's important to accommodate for both weight and accuracy. Too heavy, too common. Friday the 13th already uses that one. Too small. Perfect. Home improvement. Choosing your target isn't as easy as it seems. I like to shoot for loners, preferably female. And there's mine, Riley Connor, 5'5", age 26, beautiful smile. She works at the Target around the corner and comes here every night after her shift. I even managed to talk to her once. I could barely get the words out, I was so excited. God, I wish I could just go over there and bash her pretty little face in. No. Stay focused. Striking in public is too dangerous and will ruin the hunt. Patience is key. Playing the waiting game makes my nerves ache, but it's finally time. More often than not, the sidewall provides a great entry point. The other side is usually grassy, allowing for maximum noise cancellation. I almost feel bad she's making this so easy. As odd as it is, most people never check their backyard for intruders. With just the right amount of pressure, you can pop the lock on a French door with ease. Now, for the best part of all. Some prefer to get it over with as quickly as possible. Chloroform, a swift hit from behind. Me? I like to savor every last second.
Eli. Eli, are you alright?
Yeah, sorry, the new job's got me working late nights.
I see. How's the treatment been going?
The what?
The medication I prescribed to you?
Oh yeah, it's been going great.
So no switching?
No, not at all. Ever since you gave me those new pills, it's been so much better. I mean, sometimes I get that pesky little voice in the back of my head, but it's not what it used to be.
Very good. Well, as far as I can tell, you seem fine. Just make sure you get some good sleep and keep taking these for the next few months.
This is a mistake. You don't know what you've done, Doctor. Will do. Thank you. Just let me speak.
Hey, Eli. Call me if you have any problems.
Of course. The pills aren't killing him, Doctor. They're killing me.
Hush, hush, Eli. Go back to sleep. I can't wait till you're finally silenced.